What's the meaning of belligerently? Belligerently. Belligerently.
Belligerently. Belligerently. Belligerently is an adverb that describes a manner of behavior marked by aggressive and hostile actions, words, or attitudes. When someone acts belligerently, they are usually confrontational and ready to engage in conflict or argument. Such behavior is often associated with anger, resentment, or frustration and may be physical or verbal. People who act belligerently may provoke others intentionally or unintentionally, and it is important to remain calm and composed while dealing with them. It is not advisable to respond in kind and escalate the situation further. Instead, it is advisable to seek de-escalation tactics or involve professional mediation to address the issue at hand.